What's going on, MrSettin007 here. How's it going, YouTube family? I'm working on a client's car, rear drum brakes. I heard a pop. It's leaking fluid. More than likely the cylinder in here may have overextended and popped out, or a line burst. So I'm trying to get off the rear drum, and it's giving me a hard time. So easy way to do that is to it has two holes here, so usually you can get a screw in there and tighten it, and it'll help pop off the drum rather, and that'll be an easy way to release it. So I have this set up here. You just tighten it and it's released it. So make sure that you like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to work on cars and different things of that nature. So see as I do it, it's coming out. So that pops it out, and then I'll be able to take off. See that? So now I can take it off. I was trying to use my little mallet here, little hammer, my little Thor hammer, to get it off. It wasn't working, so this helped pop it out. So now I should be able to just pop it out without much effort. Okay, so now it's loose. So work it out with one hand because I'm holding the camera. I don't have a cameraman. If there's anyone who has any ideas with some videos, I have video glasses that are really pretty good. I'm just outside. I didn't bring them out. Okay, perfect. All right, so here we go. You can see pieces of whatever that is in there. So this is leaking. There's a piece here missing, right here, for the top drum. So apparently it must have broken off. So maybe this piece popped out. We'll find out and see. This looks like, I don't know what this is, gravel in here, which is strange. Oh, here it is. This is what popped out. All right, so the cylinder popped out and burst, and it broke. So that's the culprit. I have to get a whole new mechanism, put it back together. All right, so problem solved. Still dripping oil. Have my trusty absorb there. I'll see if I can put links in the description for certain things. All right, and the brake pads are toast. That's what that is. That's the brake shoes rather. Shoes are done. So apparently the shoes were done. That's why it overextended. The shoes should have been done earlier, but they weren't. So that's the problem. See that? Look at that. All the way down. Finito. Guys, if you start hearing noise in the back, have your brakes checked. See that? That's a chunk right there that I saw. Just right here. All right.